Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CorelDraw tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you on how to back up original CorelDraw file before you save the file in CorelDraw to avoid file missing or file corrupted, so you can easily back up your original file in CorelDraw. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and press on your CorelDraw, press Ctrl J, and this is going to pop up right there. Next thing you want to do is to navigate to Save tab. So under the Save tab, you have Backup Original File before saving. So same folders as original file. You can decide to back up the file as in the same folder. However, you can choose another file location right here. So here we go. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Browse. And this is going to pop up. Go ahead and select your desktop. Now, what we want to do here is to create a separate folder. So I'm going to right click, then go to New, Folder. Then this can be Backup Original CorelDraw file. Okay, so go ahead and select the folder and hit on Select Folder. Then you are good to go. Come down below right here. When you are done, hit on OK. And the original file is going to be backed up to that particular folder before you save your file in whatever fashion. So for reason for backup is that each time you have issue with the original file, you can make reference to backup file without any stress in your CorelDraw. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use CorelDraw software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.